Welcome to the support request tutorial for candidates on TaleGlobal. In this video, we'll show you how to raise a support ticket whenever you need assistance. To begin, open your dashboard and select support from the side panel. Your name and registered email address will already be pre-filled automatically. Next, choose who you would like to send your support request to. You can select either TaleGlobal support for platform-related assistance or HR support if your query is related to a specific employer or job application. If you are contacting HR support, select the relevant employer from the list provided. Next, choose the designation or job role associated with your application. Now enter a clear subject that briefly summarizes your issue. Then provide a detailed description explaining your concern or request. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to assist you. Next, select the appropriate support category. You can choose from general inquiry, technical issue, or job application. After that, select the priority level based on the urgency of your request. Available options include low, medium, high, and urgent. If required, you can also attach supporting images or documents to help explain your issue more clearly. Once you've reviewed all the details, click on Submit Support Ticket. Your support request will be submitted successfully, and the appropriate team will review and respond to your request at the earliest. Thank you for watching.